Alright, what's up my people? Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue with the Hobie Mirage drive floppy foot pedal to this. There we go. Stay tuned. Alright, the first thing you want to do is take this strap off. It's easy, you just pull it off on the tab, just like so, and like that. Put it on the side. Next thing you want to do is pull this pad off. Just peel it off from with a screwdriver. Just like that. We're also going to go ahead and replace this pad. Alright, the next thing you want to do is take this plate off. And there's 4 screws here, already took 3 off. We'll take the last one off. And pop that plate off with a screwdriver. And that's it. The plate come off. As you can see, this bungee here is what's supposed to keep this upright, but the bungee snapped and there's wear and tear throughout time of use, normal use. That's okay, but that's what happened. So what we'll do, we'll just take this bungee off, replace it with a new one, clean it real good, put it back together, and we're all set. I'll show you guys the rest. Just want to show you guys this is the bungee that came from there. See, it's supposed to be attached and it snapped throughout time, and we'll just replace that. Alright, so here we are. We took off the old bungee and cleaned it up real well. So went ahead, and you can grab a bungee like this one. Usually you get it from Home Depot or even dollar store. So yeah, use that. Grab a fresh bungee, and see that hole right there? You're gonna feed it in through there, just like so. Alright, just like that. Feed it through, as you see in there. Tie a knot on this end. There you go. We're gonna run it through like that. There's a small notch there. Well, it's supposed to hold the knot so it doesn't pull through. Just like that. Pull it tight. And same thing. You just want to size it up. Just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and tie a knot on this end and cut the rest and pop the plate back on. Alright, just like that. looking good. We'll grab the plate and put it back in place. Alright, just like that. Put all 4 screws back in there. Make sure you don't over tighten it because this is plastic. You don't want to strip it. And we'll put a new pad on and we'll go to the next step. Grab the strap, pop it back on the tab, and voila. That's it, guys. We're back in business. There you go. Alright guys, that's it, all done, just like that. It's like brand new, like the way it came when you first got your kayak. Alright, well there you go, quick and easy fix. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments below. Actually, I'm more active on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on g1fishing.com, I'll leave the link on the description. Just give me a follow there and I'll probably be quicker to respond there if you have any questions. Alright guys, appreciate y'all watching. God bless.